Hello students, welcome all of you to study at home. Today we will discuss articles part 3 omission of the articles. Hope you have learned what is article, what is indefinite and definite, and the use of a, an and the in the video part 1 and 2. Omission of the article. Omission means leave, drop articles. There are some rules. Rule 1. Before names of substance and abstract noun used in a general sense. There are 4 nouns: sugar, gold, wisdom, honesty. Sugar and gold, the names of substance, and wisdom, names of abstract noun. Abstract nouns we can't see and touch. So they are noun of substance and abstract, so we don't use article the before here before nouns. But uncountable noun take the when used in a particular sense, especially when qualified by an adjective or adjectival phrase or clause. Would you pass me the sugar? It means sugar means the sugar on the table. It is a particular sugar that is on the table. It is definite. So we use here article the. Would you pass me the sugar? It means that is placed, that is on the table. Next sentence, I can't forget the kindness with which he treated me. Kindness. Here noun is kindness and it is abstract noun, but we use article the here before noun, abstract noun. And here we say that we should not use article before abstract noun. But here condition is different. We want to say the kindness which he treated me, which he treated me. It means it is a particular point. We are talking about the particular time and kindness that I have treated. So we use article here before abstract noun, kindness and substance, sugar. We use here article the. Rule 2. Before plural countable noun used in a general sense, especially when qualified by an adjective or adjectival phrases or clause as children like chocolates, computers are used in many offices. It is very general. It is natural that all the children like chocolate. Its general sense means, what is the meaning of general sense? General sense means every person knows. Every person knows. It means we know very well that children like chocolates. It is the habit of children. So we don't use here article the before children. And computers are used in many offices. It is also general. Every person knows that in the office there are computers. So we don't use here article the. Not such nouns take the when used with a particular meaning. Particular meanings means, look here, where are the children? It means we are talking about our children. They are definite. They are particulars. So we use article here the children in the sense when we want to say that our children, we use article the before children. Rule 3. Before names of meals. Meals means breakfast, lunch, dinner, supper. In the general sense, in a general sense, we don't use article the. What time do you have lunch? No need of the article here because lunch is a general sense because the time every person take lunch, it is a general way. Dinner is ready. Everybody knows that dinner is ready. It may be. It is also in a general sense, so we don't use article the before dinner here. But we use a when there is an adjective before breakfast, lunch, dinner, etc. Look here, I had a late lunch today. Lunch is here and late is an adjective. So we use article a. It is rules. A used before an adjective here. We use the when we specify. The dinner we had at the tourist Haridwar hotel was very nice. Now dinner is not a common dinner, it is a particular dinner. We are talking the special dinner and invitations. So we can use article the before the dinner. But if it is in a general sense, we don't use article the before language. Language means English, Punjabi, Hindi, Sanskrit, French, etc. It is the rules that we should not use any article before any language. Rule 5. Before school, college, universities, church, bed, hospitals, prisons, when these places are visited or used for their primary purpose. All these things, school, college, hospitals, church, we use in the two sense. There are two purposes, primary purpose and secondary purpose. What is the primary purpose? Before the primary purpose, we don't use article the. I learnt French at school. We go to church on Sunday. We don't use here article the before school because it is the primary purpose. We have to go to school to learn French, to give education, to provide education. It is the primary purpose of school. So we don't use article the here. We go to church on Sundays. It means we are going to church for prayer. So we don't use article the before church. He stays in bed till 9 every morning. It means it is also the primary purpose because it is the purpose, the bed is for sleeping. It is the primary purpose, so we don't use article the before bed. My friend is still in hospital. It means my friend is a patient in hospital, so it is the primary purpose of hospital to provide medicines to the patient. So we don't use here article the. The is used with these words when we refer to them as a definite place, building, objects rather than to the normal activity that goes on there. The school is very near my home. Here, school is here only buildings, not giving education, not providing education. So we use here article the school. I met him at the church. Church means here as a building. We are not going to the church for the prayers. We are going there to meet some person. So we use article here the because here church is a building. The bed is a broken. The bed is not used here for sleeping. It is broken. It is only the articles. So we use here article the before noun. I went to the hospital to see my friend. Now it is the secondary purpose here. We are going to the hospital to see only, to meet. I am not a patient. And if I am going to hospital for any work, not as a patient, it is secondary purpose and we have to use article the before hospital. Rule 6. Before name of relation, mother, father, aunt, uncle, and also cook and nurse, meaning our nurse here. Father has returned, it means our father has returned. Cook has given notice, it means our cook has given notice. So no need of the article the here. Rule 7. Before predicative nouns denoting a unique position that is normally held at one time by one person only, as he was elected chairman of the board. It is a particular. It is a particular. So we use here only chairman. Mr. Sharma became principal of the college in 2019. It means it is also here a position, unique position. So we don't use here article the. Omission of the article is explained in this video. Repetition of the article will be explained in the next video. Thank you for watching.